Hello, in this video we will be doing shortcuts. Sorry, this is Tech Kid. Hello, this is William. He's not a dwarf, it's just he's sitting on a lower chair. And he's going to kind of be my student, Padawan, and I'll be showing him quick techniques. So the first one we're going to do is, if your PC is running slow, then one way to check what's using up all of that processing speed is by holding Shift, Control, Escape. That will bring up Task Manager here. And then
isn't there another one as well?
Yes, there is. If you go Control Alt Delete, then it will bring up this screen. Then if you just click on Task Manager, it'll bring the same thing up. As you can see here, the CPU, which is the main part of the computer, which is the hard disk, which is the storage. There's also some nice graphs, which is very fancy.
See how much OBS is using?
Yes, OBS, which is the software that we're using, is using 76%. Yes, so it's using quite a bit, and it's using quite a lot of GPU to play Archer. And what other shortcuts are there? So if you are opening a internet page, to make a new tab, all you have to do is Control T, opens up a new tab, and to close down that tab again, you just hold Control and W at the same time.
Oh, so I don't have to always press stuff.
Yeah, you don't always have to press the pass button.
I'm not sure what it is, but isn't there a way to refresh the page?
Yes, there is. You can either click that button there, or you can go F5, which is there.
Not even do it on my computer.
Yeah, it doesn't do it on this computer.
Maybe Shift F5. Try Shift F5.
Okay.
Oh,
So it's F5, but I don't feel like it. Okay. So it's Control R. So it's either F5 or Control R.
And I'm guessing on some computers it doesn't work.
It doesn't
Because
work.
on mine it doesn't.
Yeah, try Control R. Because it might either come up with this screen, or it might light up your keyboard.
No, F5 lights up the keyboard.
Yeah, F5 lights up the keyboard. There we go. Anyway, so any other things that you would like to suggest? There's quite a few on File Explorer, but they're quite technical.
I was doing Control, select everything.
Oh, yeah. Well, there's one thing that you can do.
Control A.
Yes, Control A. Good point. Control A selects everything on a page. So if I was going to this PC, now click on something there, and go Control A, it selects every single thing. And also, if you tap on some, I mentioned this in one of my previous videos. If you tap on one thing and then you tap on the opposite end of it while holding Shift and then click on it, then it will bring up everything in the range. So if you do something like that there, it'll do it from there. Pretty simple stuff. And there are, on Microsoft Edge, there is also Alt Home Key, which I should, if I go to YouTube, that's it. And then if I go Windows Alt Windows in fact, anyway, Alt Home Key normally does it, but I don't think Windows. Yeah, maybe. Anyway, that's what it normally does. It's pretty self-explanatory. In the next video, we will be doing keyboards on a touchpad. On these laptop keyboards, there are the touchpad that you use your finger to move around. Quick, simple, like 2-finger tappings and stuff like that. I hope I see you next time. Goodbye.
Well, bye.
Using the mouse as well.